Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Mpcc today accused BJP-led state government of deliberately blocking funds which were sanctioned under 15th Finance Commission for the purpose of local self-government. Speaking to media in this regard at Congress Bhavan in BT Road today, Mpcc President Meghachandra said Centre had released funds which were meant for Panchayati Raj, Urban Local Body and Autonomous District Council under the recommendation of 15th Finance Commission. However, the state government, in connivance with few people, have tried to siphon off crores of rupees. Moreover, the government has withheld the election for 161 Gram Panchayats and 61 Zilla Parishad in Manipur. Above that, the elections of 27 urban local bodies and autonomous district councils have been delayed. Speaking further, Meghachandra further alleged the state government of deliberately blocking the funds which were allocated under 15th Finance Commission with the intention to loot the funds from people. On the other hand, Meghachandra also informed that a memorandum has been submitted to Chairman of 16th Finance Commission requesting special economic package for violence hit Manipur.
Gram Panchayat sida elections loi gi basi 2022 gi October thada loi hre. Now akhoi sahi ani mapung fa. India government da piriba 15th Finance Commission ki pachasi ngasi ba pidre to all the Gram Panchayats in Manipur. Aikoi ki parsa gi phangphang thokpa central government na log tax, state government na log tax, madu ki tax mayam tuna aikoi ki development thadar kadabdo sahi ani si kari ki panchayat ki area da phanghan dabno. Why these double angel governments? Kari ki damakta aikoi ki parsa gi paisa sing si grassroots level da local body da paisa phanghan dabdo sarkar asina pakhum piyo. ADC member mayam sing se 2020 dagi sahi mari ga tha mari se 15th Finance Commission dagi paisa piraktre. Honorable Chief Minister na sing da chalaga cabinet mifam phamaga package law thoi to 15th Finance Commission gi package yaw law gimneba. Aduga law ga hojik na paisa piramdre 15th Finance Commission gi. Aduna handakta nauna October gi tang 13 2024 se assembly da hill area committee na pass resolution am lawi. Autonomous District Council sing sida election tawdringai marak sida temporary committee am semaga thabak taw yana ba hai. It's a very funny with the people of hill area. They are creating joke with the hill people. They are betraying, they are fooling the people of hill area. Manipur se democracy chat palaiba oiratre. Manipur se dictatorship chat palaiba oire. Junta army rules in Myanmar. Siga sab mana ngasi chale aikoi ki sangvidhan sida ngasi aikoi chatre hai base machine proof tawre. Aduna maram markanda athu matam da election taw aikoi ki parja ki hak phangalu 15th Finance Commission की पैसा लोग 16th Finance Commission smoothly चलन